Java is a programming language and platform for application development. It was first introduced by Sun Microsystem in 1995. Later, it was acquired by Oracle Corporation. Nowadays, Java is a widely used programming language. Java Platform is a collection of programs that help develop and run applications written in Java. It includes an execution engine, a compiler, and a set of libraries. Java is a platform-independent language. It is not particular to any processor or operating system. A personal computer is an electronic device capable of performing computations. It comprises a monitor, keyboard, mouse, and memory to store information. The essential component of the personal computer is a processor. Assembly language is used to get our code executed. An assembler is a program that converts assembly language into machine language. A compiler translates the source code from a high-level programming language into machine language. Java Virtual Machine works on different processors and operating systems. It converts the Java compiler code into an intermediate code known as bytecode. The bytecode is understandable to any JVM installed on any OS. Hence, Java source code can run on all operating systems,